Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you methods on how to fix reply by swiping problem on Instagram. So there's actually a lot of solutions that you can do. So just listen to my instruction because I will help you. So the first reason is heading over to Instagram right here. And we all know that Instagram is connected to Facebook and Facebook is connected to Messenger. So you can view your Messenger on the Instagram or your Instagram to your Messenger and vice versa. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to our profile right here, and we need to connect our Facebook to our Instagram account. To do so, we need to click these three lines in here, click on settings right here, scroll down until you can see this Meta Account Center. So select that, and once we're in here, we just need to click on these accounts right here. And then what we need to do next is to just add a Facebook account that is connected to this account. So as you can see, I've already added mine. So if you're logged in on your Facebook application, you can just log in from there and you can connect it, and it will automatically connect your Facebook to your Instagram. So once I've already connected mine, then I can now try out the inbox right here, and we can see that I have already, and I can now do the swipe. However, if that still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do next is to just head over to the settings of your phone, head over to the apps, click on app management, scroll down until you can see Instagram, and once you're in there, just click on storage usage and click on clear cache, and you should be able to head over to Instagram again and check if your problem has been solved. However, if that still doesn't solve your problem, what you can do next is to head over to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram right here and make sure that you're on the updated version. So to know if you're on the updated version, you can see this open right here. If you see open, then that just means that you're updated version. However, if you can see an update button, then you can just click that and it will update your Instagram. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.